Hey teacher friends, thanks for stopping by our Teacher Pay Teacher store. Here's our worksheet for the expert property of real numbers. Keep in mind, you're going to get all of this for just under $3. We start off with the graphic organizer. We want the students to give us a verbal description and an example. So they got to put it in their own words and come up with their own example. So they got to do a little bit more thinking than normal. Here's a good question. If we save this kind of question more for the expert level, why do you think 0 is not a natural number? Hopefully we'll get into a discussion about counting numbers, and you can say count to 10. Most likely they're going to start with 1, not 0, because 0 is not a natural number. Here's the answer key. Here's one possible answer. It's impossible to count 0 of an object, which it is. So there's a couple of ways you can frame that conversation and still be correct. Here's the second work for the students to do. We give them some numbers. This one, we include a fraction. In the entry and the emerging levels, we don't work with fractions because we want those students focused in on learning the new material, the new concepts. With the expert level, we're throwing in fractions and decimals and negative numbers, right? We're in exponents. This is the stuff we don't see in the lower levels because this is the highest rigor that we have on this subject. And these kids, they just need to be challenged. And we all need to be challenged. But if you've ever taught, which you have because you're here, you know that kids come to us at all different levels. And the reality is we got to meet students where they're at. Differentiation, we're huge fans of it. Here, we've got 3 questions, 3 situations they need to discuss, find out what's wrong. Fatima, Josue, and Jack. These are all kids in my class. What you might want to do is put my name there because I'm in your class. But you know, kids like to see their names. And since we make all of our resources easy to edit, you can do that customization super easy. Here's our answer key. And sometimes the verbiage on the discussion questions can vary, so just be open to it. And that's our expert level. It's a little bit more difficult. We've got higher level questions, we've got exponents, we've got negative numbers, we got fractions, and we got decimals. And once again, you get 3 different versions. For under $3, you can easily edit them. For $3, save you an awful lot of time.